Nearly Independence Day here, July 2nd, 2025. We're at a local home in Summit County where we just completed a crane install of this rectangle and the Treeline Series log set, haphazard stack. This one is powder coated in a high-temp flat black. Quite a setting to a beautiful outdoor Oasis. 970-759-3103. This run was kept shorter to create more maximum presence to the base assembly, and a complete success. Please reach out. We'll get to work to build one of these for your happy outdoor Oasis. Jason at Breck Ironworks.com, 970-759-3103.